What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Bo and I are on another epic custom homes door job, and you'll be able to see what we're doing.
Shitter was full!
Got done cleaning it.
What?
After.
No.
Gotta cut out that concrete. Bo just about cut my finger off.
Busted? That's not so busted.
Hardy board sucks.
I concur with that. I mean, it's good for not being weather beaten and all that. Screwing, nailing, or whatever you want to put into it. Not screwing so much.
That's what she said!
You know what I'm saying. It broke your bit.
Oh!
I don't know, dude. It broke the bit. I didn't feel it in there, so I don't know what happened to it.
I do know these self-tappers are starting to suck again, so I don't know if that company is just, the point is messed up. Check it out, bro.
Holy moly.
What does it look like in the camera, though? It looks fine.
All right, fam, this is what we got. Stacked and tracked. Got to put the spring line up yet. Mr. Bo went out to get some punched angle. Oh man, parkour.
Parkour!
Let's see if we can't see Mr. Bo. Oh my God! Ah, I see a head.
Hey, what happened?
There was a bow spotting, bow sighting. They're very rare in these parts, but we just spotted one.
Say what?
What a savage.
Good evening.
So yeah, that's what we got. Today is a easy peasy kind of day. It's super humid. Man, we are sweating to death, but you know, that's good. Sweat out those toxins. Let's stay healthy out there, people. Oh my gosh, I hear someone.
Dang. Hey, Richard.
Hey, yeah,
See the water behind?
I did.
See the water behind?
I did.
I mean, all sweaty.
It is pretty cool.
You can see my sweatiness from afar in the camera.
I know you're glimmering, shimmering. Bo is shimmy shining.
Stud?
Those three spots is where my magnet's stuck to. About where I'm at.
You need to talk?
Well, I mean, is that about where that one is at?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, he couldn't cut the punch. He couldn't cut the punch. He was like, get the grinder out. I was like, no, dude, just use the cutter.
That's a new guy for you. They got those weak, sissy hands. Z-bolts. I got Z-bolts on your ladder. One more nut. Bo's richin' for a nut. I got some squirrels in my yard. They are so proud of their big nuts.
Where's my bolts?
They're on the ladder.
You just came and stole
The
all of
bolts.
them and left me with nothing. Did you need a drill bit too?
Nope, I got one. I don't know why I brought this up here. I can't hang on to it, but gotta drill out the track to hang it to the ceiling. I know what I can do. Oh man, these self-tappers suck. Hopefully I got one more in my tool bag. Yes. Okay, with the Z drill bit.
Wait, did you just do like the bottom hole?
Yeah, I pushed it up to the
Because you can't go below it anyway. Because the
right. There we go, folks. If you're going third hole up, I'm
I also
going.
pushed it like
Yeah, I see.
you got it. You got it how I got it. Going nowhere.
Did an inside kick job. The tube. Want me to give you an eyeball?
It's going nowhere.
Not going nowhere. Hey, wait, there ain't no springs on there.
It's Wayne Dalton Torque Master.
Look at that torque master tube.
It's a mini Torque Master.
No doubt. All right, Brad. You want to do the top panel? No. Looking good, looking good.
I might be getting wide.
I can still see a little roller out the tip of it. Yeah, you're probably wide. I, however, need to bring mine over a hole.
Hoobie Halloween. Go watch it, Netflix. Mr. Bo's taking a couple bars off because it's a little bit hot off the floor. A little bit hot. Other than that, it's bussin'. My daughter's been saying bussin', so I guess that's what the new kids are saying.
That's the new thing right now is busting.
We're bussin', Bo.
We're busting.
All right, definitely not a sponsor, but here's some Ozarka water, and you know, if you ask me, this is the best frickin' water out in the country. Nope. So yeah, you can see up there we got some 2 5/8 inside diameter spring. Pretty tough stuff.
So far I can't find my wrench.
Frickin' Savage doesn't have his wrench. Up. Thing rolls like a dream. 18-inch panels. Mr. Bo says 18-inch panels is what makes it roll like a dream. It looks like one hole out, Bo. Or one hole in. All right, there it is, boys and girls. It is installed 16 by 9.
18 by 9.
Oh, 18 by 9. Anywho, that's what we got. That's what we did. Packing it up, heading to the next one. Okay, got her all locked up. Like I said, Mr. Bo's coming back with the opener once they get, you know, the outlets in the ceiling and wired up. If you're wondering the daylight around, you know, this particular builder, he ends up putting around cedar on the outside, so he doesn't use vinyl exterior perimeter seal. There's the alligator pit.
Say what?
There it is. 18 by 9. Big old door. You can see what type of house this is going on.
That's so cool.
Right
New age, contemporary. Looks good. Thanks for following. Peace out.